Biko, boro no ejike moment of truth. Action contact the ejike moment of truth. Na this video. Ejike moment of truth. The minister of olive oil and the ambassador of holy water. The minister of olive oil and the ambassador of holy water. There can be a friendly discussion. Because since we have all agreed that you are not one of us, you have never even been one of us. You are not a Christian. In black and white, I am a Christian, but that is a syndrome. I dictate God and I reject God. We have rejected you. You are not one of us. And you have to be honest to yourself and clearly stand where you belong. After the video, email na ni reziri mmado ego one lady ego. Iwe fwebe that girl share the video Pastor Jerry Eze. Iwe pota we kwuo ni ya erezizi the girl ego. Nyajeku Pastor Jerry Eze. Ka Pastor Jerry Eze yezie ego na Pastor Jerry Eze nwele ego. Some of you do as bitter as Mathias. Yes, I remember during the time we put a video. Ebe one girl ahwado ho. Na yo Mathias ka Mathias nyeri aka. Mathias wewu because na that girl wonye Zion or no oshial video the Zion. Mathias wewu make wewu no ye help the girl. That girl to commercial one also I don't know. Na all na that girl. In fact, Mathias wewu because of that wewu na any other person or follow Daniel Flugebe active in share video of a church or that kind of thing. Because no way anything or melu. I related this thing to you. In the comment section. You condemned it. You condemned it. Same no that Mathias should be able to help every Igbo man or woman, irrespective of no a Christian, onyaho a Muslim, onyaho Omenala. You said it yourself. Fast forward till today, you have done exactly what he did those days. Iji we go say na unu niile element and bunch of bitterness. There is nothing. Tell me na the lady shialo programo Pastor Jerry Eze. What does it have to do with Egin Erezrie? Ejike moment of truth. What does it have to do with Egin Erezrie? I want to know. Tell me. Why? Tell me. Now, the girl share video Pastor Jerry Eze. What does it make? Sabinus is a millionaire. People will share video. And when so many influencers on Facebook, Angela Mosu, people will share video. Can you tell me? So, because no share video Pastor Jerry Eze, no share in the idea and vision of Pastor Jerry Eze, that is the reason he do fundraising in a reserve. Gwenya Jekuze Pastor Jerry Eze. Nation if I provoke all the rich people around. And yet, each time, no, I don't practice religion. I practice humanity. So this is humanity to you. This is humanity to you. Some of you people who religious by God. Manona Amaro, Unushe also people do kezu go wounded. But unfortunately, 80 mono on a line. People like us because when you carry moke do constant. Moke do constant, do steady, such kind of man, may for suppose carry onye na agbagari. Unu na-eme mgbagari onu na agbagari. One place, I follow for who you are. I don't practice religion. I practice humanity. Is this not religion that you are practicing? Just because of religious affiliation or ideology somebody believe in, are you not a religious by God? Ejike, come and answer this question. I don't practice religion. I don't practice religion. Ezugo practice religion according to JPAC. Ezugo na practice religion. It is too religious. Go ezu n'ọnụ. Ọkwa division unu na-ebubata na Igbo. Unu bubata sha division na unu ya wonde experience the direct effect of this division unu na-ebubata. I thought you are not religious. I thought you practice humanity. Humanity that across any religious affiliation. Yes, eba no kita. Enwe mike pota fun wa dibia meri ife. enwe make potafu a Muslim marry ife. That is what it means for somebody to live above religion. You are not that person, Ejike. So stop preaching about humanity. Stop mentioning humanity in your mouth. No, so you don't know. You know what you are doing, Ejike. I am looking at you in as much as on this screen. But I put it to you, Ejike. You know what you are doing. If I don't practice religion. I don't practice religion. I practice humanity. But where your loyalty lies, 100%. You know what you want. If in a age also do, if you say that somebody do educated of your standing and the nobody need to send the solo to his son that if I hand him. That is the only thing you will. Otherwise, we all know what you stand for. We all know what you signify. We all know you. People like me, I know you. Forget about this pretense. Forget about this pretense. Move away and go and stand where you belong. I don't think no one na sing the praises Mathias na sing. I don't think no one na maka traditional religion. Ne ya kwuse na ihe mere ifa. Ihe mere ihe. Because ni wonye Omenala buze eziokwu a iso na nde foundation members ya iso na nde na-etinye ego na you know iso na nde na finance ya you are putting your money in that religion but it against nde na-ewolu nke ha na-enye na their choice of religion. You are practicing religion but you are against people who are practicing religion. Ejike Ndi Igbo ya wo judge over all of us. At the end of the day as na agbacha ọsọ and go mine. Abacha also I na agba n'ụwa. I mesha go mine. Ganiru, I dare you to stop helping that woman. I dare you to stop helping that woman. Ki gosi onwe, ki bo onwe ike ka ndị mmadụ fo. That woman will keep sharing Pastor Jerry Eze's video. If you don't want to help her, leave her ko wafo marifewo. Eba aka mma happy. I don't practice religion. I practice humanity. Humanity na enu ọnụ. Humanity na enu ọnụ. Epụta n'ụzọ ka inyere mmadụ aka jụọ ya na iwu onye Zion na iwu onye Pastor Jerry Eze ị na-asọpọtụ Mathias on ife ndị otu unu niile na-eme ife ahụ unu na-eme ka unu ya atụ constantly na accuse ndị ọzọ na ife ha na-eme Chineke ya eji aka George anyị n'ụlọ ịghọtago agbacha ọsọ agụọ mile Minister of Olive Oil and Ambassador of Holy Water. Every day, holy water, Pastor. Every morning, every night, Pastor giving people holy water. On our Pastor giving people holy water. How many times can you run on medical outreach in Enugu State or anywhere as a medical doctor, as a nurse, how many times can you make medical outreach? Need them to free test. You cannot do it every day on our Facebook. Holy water, olive oil, ambassador of Minister of Holy Water and Ambassador of Olive Oil. Or if you will know your own title. Darling.